Alright, I'm taking this video for a client of mine, buyer out of state. Just want to remind you what the property looks like. Nice upgraded landscaping. Beautiful Venetian Bay community, hurricane shutters, real pretty door. The thing that made this buyer like this a lot, it's a 4-bedroom. The tiles are on diagonal, which is nice. Nice baseboard, big rooms. This would be an office or a den. Glass doors. Laundry. And they're going through their punch list right now. Here's one of the bedrooms. Bedroom 2. Nice bath. Here's another bath. And actually down the road you could actually put a door on the other side of this door and make it enter in through the other room and turn it into a nice bedroom. I like these big doors they have. Very open kitchen. Dining. Big open great room. I'll show you. Nice little view of the lake there. Very nice size lanai. You can screen that in. The garage faces the alleyway in the back, which is kind of cool. This is a very big room. I just kind of want you to look at how massive it is. But nice size. You got cable up high for your TV. Recessed lighting. All the fun stuff. You enter the garage from there. Here's the master bedroom. Good size master bedroom. We have carpet. 2 closets, walk-in closets. The tiles put on a diagonal again. Then you have a nice big walk-in shower. Just walk right on in. We have a double vanity. That shower is nice, very nice. And you don't really get a lot of these upgrades in the normal homes, spec homes. So this would be a nice home to check out.